Hey guys! So today I'll be decorating my desk since it is bare right now with only Wolf-chan and PP. So yeah, I bought a pegboard. Yes, I know this is very popular, but I just got one also because I have some things I want to just put in here instead of laying it in my desk. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. So this is my desk. All of those postcards, I have a lot of them still, but I'm gonna focus on these. The my most precious pieces, I would say. Okay, hey guys, this is my bedroom now. It has my dresser's drawers, I don't know. And I'm gonna put my Straykids albums here just like I did with my the last apartment I was at. It was all up in here. I finally have space to put them together. So now I have this big space. And so yeah, I'm gonna get my albums now. So okay. Okay. Dang. Um so I'm not really sure if this will all fit here, but I will try my best to fit all of them here. Otherwise, I would have to buy a shelf, and gosh, that's another thing for me to do. Okay, so I have season's greetings, I have Japanese albums, they're Korean comebacks, believe it or not, I don't have them all. This is just some of them, and these are not duplicates also. I have way more albums that I don't need to store because they're just duplicates, but these are like one of them. So yeah, I'm gonna start with, what am I gonna start with? Okay, so I'm not sure if I do want to put them in chronological order, but I feel like I need like big heavy ones at the end to support all of the middle. So I'm gonna try and see how it works. So time lapse, probably, here we go. Guys, I think I did okay with like organizing. Well, thank you guys for watching. That was my, I don't know if I'm gonna join together these like my desks with me also for this one, but if I am, then thank you for watching both of those.